Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to give you step-by-step procedure on how to find your TRC20 address on Binance. Now if you're using the Binance app, the first thing you do is open up the app and log into your Binance account using your credentials. So once you're through with that, you tap on wallet at the bottom of the screen. Tap on wallet, then next thing you'll do is tap on deposit or deposit. Once you've tapped on deposit, next you have to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, e.g. USDT. Once you've done that, now choose TRC20 as the network you want to use. Next, tap on get address. The next thing, and once you've done that, your TRC20 deposit address will be displayed. It is as simple as that. But if you're using the Binance website, what you do is log into your Binance account on the website. Then you go to wallet section and click on deposit. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, e.g. USDT, and then choose TRC20 as the network. Next, click on get deposit address and your TRC20 deposit address will be displayed. Now, these are important notices you need to take note of, please. Always double check the network. Ensure you are using the correct network, which is TRC20, to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. Next, never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone for security reasons. And be wary of phishing attempts and only use official Binance channels to avoid being scammed. By following these steps, you can easily find your TRC20 address on the Binance app or website. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.